Hi, I'm Victoria. Welcome to Burt Process Equipment.
And if you'll follow me into our customer relations department. Over here we have our customer relations and our technical support teams dedicated to operational excellence in supporting and meeting our customers' needs. Most of our employees are working remotely during COVID-19. Down this hallway we have our purchasing department, and at the end of the hallway we have our UL panel shop. Let's take a look. And through these doors, we have our manufacturing floor, where our custom systems are built. As a fluid handling distributor, a lot of our inventory is already in stock on the shelves, ready to go to build custom systems to meet your needs. Hey George.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
And over here as we go through the shop, you'll find our custom value-added section where we do pump repairs and custom jobs specific to the customer's application and process needs. And over here we're doing testing on a batch pH system. And through here we have our welding steel shop. In this area we're doing our custom plastic fabrication, where we take sheets of plastics and mold it into the shape that you're looking for. Over here we have our service vehicles ready to be deployed on the road at a customer's need. All you have to do is call and say, I need startup and training, and we'll be there. In this area we have all of our distribution inventory stock. Shipping and receiving. Through these doors is our newest office expansion where the rest of our talented team members reside. As we approach around this corner, we have our field service department. Our new training center. Over here we have our marketing department. Over this way, we have our IT team, along with some of our engineers. Down here, we have another set of offices for our primary engineering, design, and sales manufacturing teams. Now circling back around, that concludes our facility tour. I hope you learned something about how Burt Process runs efficiently each day to support and meet your needs. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. I hope you have a wonderful day.